before you go and learn more about our community, I wanted to share with you a simple strategy that everyone on our team has been making money on. It's super simple because it takes about 90 seconds to take advantage of. It takes about 5 minutes to learn, and you're going to get about 15 to 20 trades per week. So how does it work, guys? It's very simple. With this exclusive indicator that you only can get by joining our team, this indicator marks up where potential errors in the market is going to enter on your behalf. So we're looking at this area where this indicator marked up for a potential sell, and then it also marked up where it could be a potential buy. So it's a very simple indicator, and we're hoping that either the market's going to come to this area for a buy or sell. So every day at, for example, 9 p.m. Eastern or 9 a.m. Eastern or 4 a.m. Eastern, you're going to set up pending orders, and then you're going to set and forget. Guys, we literally have people on our team getting 10 to 30 trades per week, taking 5 minutes out of their day to place a pending order. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to place a pending order. So we're going to go to a tool called the long tool, and we're going to line it up with the buy entry, and we're going to keep our stop loss somewhere down here, and we're going to line it up with the take profit 3 so that we have at least a 1.5 risk to reward. And then what we're going to do is go pick the short tool, and we're going to line it up with our sell entry, and we're going to bring it down to the TP3 suggested. Now let me show you how simple it is to execute this trade within 90 seconds. Now once you mark your charts up and you just do exactly how I did here, again, we have full training on this, but I'm going to show you how it works before you even start. You're going to double click on this long tool, and you're going to copy the entry, the take profit, and the stop loss onto your Trade Locker or MetaTrader platform. In this example, we're going to use Trade Locker. This is the platform where we like to place our trades. So you're going to look up AUD USD. That's the example we're using. You're going to pick pending order, and you're simply going to copy and paste the entry, the take profit, and stop loss. The entry price, all you do is copy those numbers, and you're going to place it at this top one right here. Then what you're going to do is for take profit, you're going to copy those numbers, and you're simply going to place it right here. And then you're going to copy your stop loss levels numbers, and then you're going to place it right here. And the last thing you're going to do is going to click risk and tell the platform how much you want to risk. Let's say we want to risk $50, and then we're going to hit the buy stop. Now, what you're going to do second is we're going to do the same exact thing for the sell. So I already set everything up for the short. All I did is copy and paste just like I did the buy, the sell entry, the take profit price, and the stop loss price. I opened it up. I chose pending. I added that entry, the stop loss, the take profit. The last thing you need to do is pick risk and choose the dollar amount I would like to lose. I will do the same thing I did for the buy and hit sell stop. Now, how this indicator works, guys, is very simple. These are pending orders, and we're waiting for the market to either reach our buy stop or our sell stop. And whichever one activates, you can close the other, and then it's going to automatically hit your take profit or your stop loss or vice versa. So what's cool about this, guys, is that you only need to spend about 90 seconds setting up your pending orders. It's a set and forget strategy. You do it once a day at 9 p.m., for example, or 9 a.m. or 4 a.m. And now I'm going to actually show you some examples of how this strategy worked on different pairs. So I'm going to show you a couple of different pairs. In our training, guys, we got what pairs you should do at what time, so no worries. But let's say that we looked at Bitcoin, and what I love about Bitcoin, guys, is that you can do this strategy 7 days a week with Bitcoin, practically making money every single day. So at 7 o'clock p.m., for example, I would come in here on a Sunday, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. I would set up my pending order for a buy. Oops. I would set up my pending order for a buy, or I would set up my pending order for a sell, just like we did before. You know, we set up our long tool. We said, okay, cool. If it hits here, stop loss somewhere around here, take profit right here. And this is the last trade that the Bitcoin called. So I'm not doing something that was in the super far in the past. This literally happened, what is this, February 22nd? This is the time I'm making this video. So this is very recent. And so I would have had my pending orders, as you can see. And we're going to see what would have happened if I placed that trade at this time, you would have been done. So it would activate the trade. It would activate the trade automatically, and then kept going into profit. And obviously, if your take profit was down here, it would automatically close that trade. So super simple, guys. And we look just in the past, it did the same thing right here. It came into profit, kept going down, hit TP3, came up here, hit TP1. So it's a very simple strategy. This one, it came up and hit TP3. So guys, a very, very strong strategy. I'm gonna show you one more pair just so you can get the point. I'm gonna do one outside of the Forex or crypto market, which is gold. And what I like about this gold pair is that it works on the foreign exchange market and the futures market. So again, guys, we would set up our longer short tool around 9 p.m. And this is where our entry would be right here for TP3 or our sell. And we would just set this up one time, guys. You don't have to do this. You don't have to watch the trade market. You do this one time a day. And if we set our pending orders, we just set the pending orders from TradingView. And if it goes here, we want to sell. And if it comes here, we want to buy. So then we're gonna wait for it to go into our favor. It's gonna automatically trigger for us. As you can see, it automatically triggered for us. You know, I say the take profit was down here, for example, and you would have knocked out that trade. So just to show you an example of some of our team that's actually making money from these charts, someone made $143 from just using that strategy. Another person has been making money. They made $2,200 just using this on their live account. And so guys, as you can see, we have another person made $407,000 using that same exact strategy. So we're actually using the strategy, guys, towards our products or towards our platform. And we have additional products also that we use. We have copy and paste signals, live sessions, and automation. So the next video, guys, on step 2 is going to go over how our signals works, how our copy and paste live sessions work, and our automation. And if you have any questions afterward, you can watch multiple testimonies below that 5-minute video that you're going to watch next. And you can find my number and shoot me a text to ask any questions. But I would love to have you on the team. I definitely will work with you to show you how to use that particular indicator and how to use the additional tools that you can get and answer any questions that you have.